Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Noor's Garden Kitchen. Today I'm going to be frying some bindi, okra, lady's finger, whatever you call in your country. We call okra over here. So I just first cutting them. I just slice them like a small little slices like this. The okra is so fresh, and so we are going to just fry this okra with the potatoes and some chickpeas flour and some spices. So I'm going to show you this recipe. It's easy and it's very tasty and nutritious. It's good for the diabetes and heart patients because we're not putting too much oil in there. It's a vegetarian and vegan dish, gluten free. It's good for everybody. So Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, let's chop them like a slices, small thin slices. Okay, we're gonna put this on the stove to fry, and with a little bit of oil, pan fry. Then we are going to peel these potatoes and cut into small pieces. And I'm going to put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. It is going to cook faster. Okay, let's put this for frying the okra first. Okay, we'll put some oil in the pan. Not too much. This is avocado oil. Very light oil. Then we're going to put all this bindi in there. Once you fry bindi, it's going to be shrink. It's going to be not going to be too much. And always fry okra and on very low flame, because we do not want to burn okra and we want it to cook and make it like a little crispier. So I'm going to reduce the heat flame a little bit. And we're going to cook it on slow flame until it gets lightly brown. Okay guys, one pan the okra is frying, another pan I'm going to fry some potatoes. Potatoes in one pan, another pan I'm frying okra over here. Okra is frying over here and the potatoes will be fried over here. Until the potatoes get golden brown. A little bit more oil. Okay, our potatoes are ready. We're gonna go ahead and complete frying okra. mix both of them together with the spices. Okay, our okra is ready too. So we're gonna add all the spices in there. I have half a spoon of turmeric and half a spoon of cumin powder, 1 spoon of coriander powder, 1 spoon of red pepper, some carom seeds, ajwain, and salt to taste. Okay, according to your taste. Salt and pepper is according to your taste. And I'm also gonna add these potatoes in there. We're gonna mix it, fry for a few minutes. I'm gonna make the flame is a little higher because we don't have to cook for too long. Now, let me taste this. The salt and pepper is okay. It's fine. So, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna add some chickpeas flour, besan, as much as you feel like it's gonna take it. It's gonna coat lightly on okra and potatoes, so it's gonna make it a little crispier. A little bit more. Oops. This is very good with the chapati, pulka, and roti. You know. See, it is lightly coated besan on it. It's becoming crispier. I'm gonna do it for a few more minutes and add a little bit of more besan in there. I think that's it. I'm not adding any more. You do not want too much besan either in there. Just to make it a little crispier. I'm gonna fry for a few more minutes and it'll be ready to serve. So it's almost ready. I'm gonna add a little bit of pepper. I'll add some pepper, green pepper, for the spiciness, because we like to eat a little spicy. We eat a little bit less salt but spicy. Pepper is spicy. If you like cilantro, you can add some cilantro, but I am not adding it because my son is allergic to cilantro, so I don't add it in there. We mix it, me and my husband, later. When we are adding this, we put a sprinkler on top of it. If you want, you can add it. Okay, that's it. We are done. Yummy, yummy. Dry okra potatoes is ready. Bindi with aloo ke saath mein. Aloo bhindi, tala hua aloo bhindi is ready. So we are gonna I'm gonna turn the stove off. So we are ready to be served. Okay friends, our okra with potatoes are ready. If you like the dish, please share with your family and friends. Okay, see you next video. Bye. Allah Hafiz.